Hello, I'm Christopher Norris, and this is your Mining Minutes. Gold climbed to over $19.40 US an ounce on Wednesday, reaching its highest point in more than 2 months. This comes amid escalating tension in the Middle East and investors seeking safe haven assets. Liontown entered a trading halt yesterday in relation to the finalisation of funding associated with the Kathleen Valley project. News reports out today that did not cite sources suggest that UBS has begun discussions with fund managers for a Liontown Resources emergency capital raise, aiming to secure $400 million from equity capital markets alongside $760 million in debt. The shares are being offered at between $2.20 and $2.60 a share, a significant premium to Liontown's March trading price of $1.52. Joining me now live from Mount Isa is David Williams, Executive Chairman of Mount Isa Minerals. David, great to see you.
G'day, great to see you as well on this lovely sunny day here in Isa.
David, Mount Isa Minerals expects to lodge its prospectus and application to list on the ASX this month. What excites you the most about the company?
Look, part of it's, I'm standing here, you can see in the background Mount Isa. I'm just on Maydowns Road. Our tenements start 1K or 2Ks down the road. So its location, existing facility. It's a database that we've got. It's the drilling that was done last year that's proven the different mineral systems approach that we've developed, and we've got surface expression everywhere. We drove on one of the roads yesterday. The grader had cleared some pegmatites, and there they were. It was green. We're in the right place.
And of course, news out yesterday from Glencore confirming it will be closing its Mount Isa copper mines after 60 years. What does this mean for Mount Isa Minerals?
Well, the first thing is they're not closing the mines. Yes, they're talking about stopping producing copper out of the copper line, but they're keeping the rest of the operation going. They're hungry for resources. That's what we predicted. It'll be a multi-commodity processing line, still very hungry for capacity. What they need is resources. And what they need is the copper price to move. What the world needs is copper. And the government recognises that there's a lot here that they don't want to see go. The mining industry doesn't want to see it go because this will never be built again. And we're next door. We're going to produce a resource. This is still going to be operating. They need us. We're at the right time, right place, right commodity.
David, thanks very much for joining us.
It's a pleasure. You've got to come out here sometime on a glorious 37 degrees at Mount Isa.
Would love to. That's all for today. Make sure to tune into mining.com.au for the latest mining news from Australia and around the world.